When it comes to enhancing the curb appeal of your Lexington home, the exterior elements you choose to invest in can make a significant difference. Among these, front doors hold a particular weight in terms of both function and design. The front door is the focal point of your home's exterior, creating the first impression for visitors, neighbors, and potential buyers. If your door is outdated, damaged, or lacks the aesthetic appeal you desire, replacing it can provide a transformative impact. Here's how replacing your door can elevate your Lexington home's curb appeal. First impressions matter. Your front door is the first thing people notice when they approach your home. It serves as a greeting, setting the tone for the rest of your property. An attractive, well-maintained door immediately makes your home feel more inviting and stylish. Whether you choose a bold, modern design or a more traditional look, a new front door can dramatically improve the first impression visitors have of your home. Boosts home value. In Lexington's competitive real estate market, standing out is key. A beautiful front door can elevate your home's aesthetic and make it more appealing to prospective buyers. According to various studies, upgrading your front door can yield a high return on investment. In fact, it's one of the most cost-effective home improvements, offering excellent value relative to its cost. A new door not only improves curb appeal but also signals to potential buyers that your home has been well maintained, which can justify a higher asking price. Increases energy efficiency. In addition to its aesthetic benefits, a new door can also enhance your home's energy efficiency. Many older doors have gaps that let air in or out, causing your heating and cooling systems to work harder. A well-insulated, high-quality door helps seal your home better, reducing drafts and lowering energy bills. In a climate like Lexington's, where temperatures can swing between seasons, energy-efficient doors can keep your home comfortable year-round. This practical upgrade also gives potential buyers peace of mind, knowing that the home is energy efficient. Adds character and personalization. Your front door serves as a canvas for showcasing your personality and the overall style of your home. Whether you're looking for a sleek, modern entryway with a glass panel for a contemporary look, or a rustic, classic wooden door for a more traditional feel, the door you choose can reflect your unique style. There are countless materials, colors, and finishes to choose from, allowing you to customize the door to match your home's architecture. If you live in a historical neighborhood in Lexington, a period-appropriate design can blend seamlessly with the surrounding homes, while a more modern design can make a bold statement in a newly developed area. Improved security. The old doors can often become worn and weakened over time, compromising the security of your home. A newer, more robust door, especially one made from materials like fiberglass or steel, can offer greater protection against break-ins. Modern doors also come equipped with better locking mechanisms, further enhancing security. In a city like Lexington, where safety and peace of mind are important considerations for homeowners, upgrading to a stronger, more secure door is an investment that benefits both the aesthetics and the safety of your home. Low maintenance and durability. Over time, wooden doors can warp, rot, or become scratched, requiring constant maintenance. If you live in an area with fluctuating weather conditions, like Lexington, it's essential to choose a door that can withstand the elements without deteriorating. Fiberglass, steel, and other durable materials are low maintenance and can withstand harsh weather better than traditional wooden doors. These materials resist fading, cracking, and warping, ensuring your home maintains its beauty for years to come. Opting for a low-maintenance door means less time spent on upkeep, allowing you to enjoy your home's improved curb appeal without constant worry. Enhanced landscaping integration. The new door doesn't just stand alone, it interacts with your entire front yard and landscape. A new door can tie together the look of your front garden, porch, and other exterior features. For example, a rich, dark wooden door may complement a lush garden filled with vibrant flowers, while a sleek modern door can accentuate a minimalist landscape. Replacing your front door allows you to create a cohesive and polished look that boosts curb appeal by making sure all aspects of your home's exterior work together harmoniously. Conclusion. In Lexington, where the charm of your home is paramount, a door replacement can be a game changer. Not only does it enhance the overall appearance of your home, but it also provides practical benefits like increased energy efficiency, improved security, and low maintenance. Whether you're looking to make a great first impression, increase your property value, or simply update the look of your home, a new front door is an investment that pays off in both style and function. Consider upgrading your front door today, and watch how it transforms your home's curb appeal for the better.